morning all and welcome to another live session of Technology Talk where we are going to discuss on latest technologies, products and solutions that Hikvision has to offer. Today we are here to discuss about intelligent storage devices. And to discuss on this, we have our guest speaker Mr. Umesh Kumar Singh, Category Head, Intelligent Storage Division. Umesh sir, welcome to Technology Talk.
Thank you, Vinit, inviting here, and thanks everyone who's watching our viewers. And thanks for giving your valuable time to us to understand about the intelligent storage category product line.
Yes. So thank you all. And before we begin, I would like to inform you all that we are going to also play a quiz contest where you will get chance to win exciting prizes. Also, if you have any doubt during the session, you can type your question in comment section. At the end of the session, we will try to give answer of all your queries. So let's move on to the intelligent storage devices. Umesh sir, there is a one doubt in my mind. Okay, why? Actually, why we call as a intelligent storage device? I think this question is of all our viewers' mind also. Why we call as an intelligent storage devices?
Really is very interesting questions asking me.
Okay.
And why intelligent storage of equations?
Yes.
First of all, we are normally using the traditional hard disks. That's the storage, but traditional hard disks. Okay.
Right.
But intelligent storage helping us created with the enhance your data, adapting, and the barrier we have to remove to collect data. Real-time data will get on the time.
Okay.
That's the reason our equation storage is intelligent storage category, and we have vast range of product category in this category.
Yes. So something kind of we have a intelligent storage devices means there is a intelligent functions we have available in this kind of storage.
Yes, we
devices.
have.
So it's a good right now we are today going to discuss on this kind of product. Moving to the ahead that why we prefer our brand for the intelligent storage devices.
Yes, true, very true. Why we will buy equation storage? क्यों buy करना चाहिए? आपको मालूम
Right.
होना चाहिए reason behind that.
Yes.
See, I will just explain about the reasons why you have to buy equations. See, first thing, we are very vast core technologies company. We are making multiple products in the surveillance also,
Okay.
storage also. Second thing, globally and India also marketing network is very strong of equations. And then local service. Everyone need after sales service. We have multiple location service center will get immediately replacements.
Okay.
Second thing, the complete multi-level system, self-designed flashware manufacturing with the SSD controllers.
Okay.
The last is very important thing. See, Indian people need cost effective. क्यों हमको सस्ते में better product चाहिए? So we have cost effective with high performance devices.
Yes. The cost effective plus the performance high is also a much more important.
Correct.
Factors. Right. So we have seen that the importance of the because we have seen Hikvision, there is a lots of cameras,
Yes.
Video surveillance devices are available. But the storage of your video footage is also important.
Yeah.
So that's why this kind of the intelligent storage devices we have available. Okay. So Umesh sir, I am very interested to know about the complete product family of these intelligent storage devices which we have available in India.
Yes, definitely. See, I'm going through the complete product category which we have in our basket. In our basket, we have multiple product categories in storage especially. We have micro SD, we have SD card, we have external series also, including the external SSD and external hard disk also. Then internal SSDs in the complete range, the consumer for the enterprise for surveillance. And we have externals NAS category also. But I'm now today we will only focus on micro SD, SD and internal SSD categories.
Okay, so we will focus on micro SD, okay, and the internal SSD.
Correct.
Among the wide range of these
Yes.
products we have available. Okay, so now the part as I will consider the first product which we are getting over here, micro SD card. Okay, so which kind of products range we have available in micro SD? What types of micro SD cards we have available?
See, we have two categories. We have surveillance as well as consumer category. Okay.
Okay.
And surveillance, when I'm going to surveillance card, specific we manufacturing for the surveillance camera,
Right.
for bullet camera, for dome camera, for car dash camera. That is specific. The consumer card is different. We have three category in this product portfolio. L2I,
Okay.
the entry level as well as is a much good performance wise.
Okay.
Second, we have P1 category. Then we have P10. If you see the L2I camera, the capacity is starting from 16 GB to 256 GB. Read write also is very high, 95 per second, megabit per second is reading. The writing is 15 started and from the 55. Second thing, the working temperature also 0 to 70-degree temperatures work, the L2I. Supportable with all the bullet cameras, the dome cameras, the dash cam camera. Second macro SD is the with higher performance, that starting from 32 GB to 256 GB. The reading writing speed is much better than L2I. This is 95 to 25 megabyte per second. Lastly, we have SD card. This is some NVR is supporting SD card. That is category we have P10. That is also started from 32 GB to 256 GB. Reading writing is much better than micro SD P1 and L2I. That's 95 to 100 Mbps per second. The working temperature is a minus 25 to 85 degrees. It will work in the minus degree area also.
Okay.
And same thing, I will go. We are using the eTLC 9 with high stability, reliability of the product, high endurance, the strong durability. Everything is there. That's the reason always I'm suggesting you to suggest our client, end user client, enterprise segment client, any solution, only enterprise category, the surveillance card. Don't suggest to consumer card. That is not a good for the cameras.
Right. So over here we can see, sir, the types of SD card, micro SD card. We have available a common micro SD card also.
Yes.
Plus high-end card is also available.
Yes.
And it's a good that starting capacity range of the surveillance micro SD card is from 16 GB.
16 GB to 256 GB.
That's great. That's great, sir. Also, the application is wide variety of applications we have available. But there is some prevailing understanding for amongst our customer that in case of the memory card, okay, memory card is just a memory card.
Right.
It storage the data. Okay. So why there is a need of the special memory card? We can use a common memory card in our normal mobiles, laptops, sound devices, as well as in our IP camera also.
Right.
Because it's just simply storage the video footage. So why special need of to go for a surveillance memory card?
I will just differentiate about the why we have to use only surveillance card for the surveillance product category.
Okay.
It's not micro SD cards.
Okay.
Let's see the difference between the cards for surveillance. You're using 7 into 24 hours, 365 days. But when you're using micro SD, हम सिर्फ दिन भर में 7 से 8 घंटे मैक्स टू मैक्स यूज करते हैं और 5 days. बट मूवी डाउनलोड करना, सॉन्ग्स डाउनलोड करना, दैट्स इट. ओके, बट that card you cannot use in surveillance category cameras.
Right.
Second plus point, the read write capacity and the time, how many times you can read write surveillance card. 3000 times you can read in the P1 and P10 category card. L2 at 500 times.
Okay.
Same place, the micro SD for consumer category only 300 times, max to max.
Right.
That's the benefit for the surveillance category card. The benefit says compatibility with the all the Hikvision's camera. Okay, our cards. Every camera will support our card. Here is the intelligence connecting with the cards.
Okay.
We have the lifetime, the warning.
Yes,
That's category.
That's important.
Yes, and heating monitoring also you will get the camera.
Okay.
Second thing, you can lock your read and write things also. This is not get in the entry level consumer card. So my suggestion, always use surveillance card in your cameras.
That's good, sir. We have a lots of features in the surveillance card is available with us. So this is kind of the surveillance card where we can provide for the category of the IP camera or the surveillance products. Okay. Apart from that, do we have any normal card or the consumer card products also?
Yes.
What that products we have?
Yes, we have consumer card also for the mobility and tablet and for the PC you can say. That category also we have, and this is starting from 8 GB to 256 GB.
Okay.
Plus point with this card, we are providing 7 years warranty.
7 years
7
warranty.
years warranty. Okay.
Right.
Working temperature also 0 to 70 degree.
Okay.
Class 10 category, all cards starting from 8 GB to 50 GB, class 10 category. Speed also 92 to 50. And this can support the smart camera tablets also.
Okay, okay. So the consumer card, we have the available of smart category, means where a little bit of good functions we will get it. That is a camera, a tablet, a mobile phone. Means in surveillance category, suppose equation as a case, IP कैमरा के अंदर आपको मेमोरी कार्ड लगाना है,
Right.
तो उस केस में हम सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं आपका सर्विलेंस
Surveillance card.
ओके। बट कहीं ना कहीं अगर आपको नॉर्मल आपके मोबाइल्स के लिए, टैबलेट्स के लिए या पीसीज के लिए अगर आपको सजेस्ट करना है, सो इन सच काइंड ऑफ केसेस वी कैन प्रोवाइड अ नॉर्मल
Yes,
कंज्यूमर
consumer
कार्ड.
card. That's
So
the
both the categories we have available, and it's a very good things that we have a both kind of categories
Right.
are available. उसी के साथ साथ अगर सर बात करें कि आपके सर्विलेंस कार्ड की, तो जैसे बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट आपने वहां पे बताया सर कि सर्विलेंस कार्ड के अंदर अगर आप जाते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक इंटेलिजेंट फंक्शन मिल रहा है.
right.
That means alerts.
Correct,
Okay.
correct.
In case of the DVR, because all of our viewers are the CCTV partners,
Right.
most of they already installed the IP camera, NVR, and DVR also. In this case, storage in case of surveillance is important. Okay, आपका हार्ड डिस्क अगर आपके NVRs में या DVRs में कनेक्टेड है, क्या वो हार्ड डिस्क सही से वर्क कर रहा है? It providing is working always in the good condition, that we have to observe and properly to do the always a maintenance task. Okay. सो आईपी कैमरा है, बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स है, आपने ये मेमोरी कार्ड इंस्टॉल किया, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट अ कंटिन्यूअसली मॉनिटरिंग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर कार्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इंटेलिजेंट फंक्शंस.
Correct.
Also, many of your people are using the surveillance card in IP camera. Why? Because if there is a network get disconnect
Yeah.
from the camera to NVR,
The backup
where you
here.
will storage, yes, the redundancy is important. So in this case, this kind of card I think mostly useful for all of our partners.
Correct.
That's great, sir. So all of the viewers, hope you understand. We have covered the first our product, that is a
category.
memory card. We have seen the consumer also plus as well as a surveillance memory card. So now we will move on to our first quiz contest. This question is for all the viewers. Let's see the question on your screen. So this is the first quiz contest. The question is, what is entry level capacity in surveillance card? What is entry level capacity in surveillance card? So क्वेश्चन सभी को पता चला होगा, सर्विलेंस कार्ड में इक्विजन के पास एंट्री लेवल कैपेसिटी कितनी है. आपके पास इस क्वेश्चन के लिए 4 ऑप्शन रहेंगे, उसमें से सही जो ऑप्शन, सही करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, लाइक ए और बी और सी और डी, व्हाटएवर, you have to type the answer in your comment section. Those who will rapidly and very fastly give the first answer, you will get the chance to win surprises from Equigen. So we will see the options for this question. Option A you have available, option B, option C, and option D. 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB. Type your correct answer in the comment section and your time will start now. Come on fast, everyone is ready. Entry level capacity in surveillance card. You have to give the right answer to win surprises. Hope we have received the right answer. And Umesh sir, now we will focus on the question. Okay, entry level capacity on the surveillance card. What is the right answer of this particular question?
Entry level surveillance card starting from 16 GB and L2 ICDs. The right answer C.
The right answer is C, starting from
Yeah.
a 16
16 GB.
Okay, so that's great, sir. Here we can see all of the winners. The name of the winners we will declare at the end of the session. So now moving to the next part, that is Umesh sir, we have seen about the micro SD. Okay, so there is a lots of features we have available, but it's a just compact, a small micro device we can connect inside our camera. Okay, or any other devices. So now part you have tell about the product family. We have apart from micro SD, there is a one more product we have available, a SSD. Okay, so just wanted to know because if there is a doubt in my mind or there is a question, why SSD and what exactly? Because for storage we have a SSD option also in the market available. Then why we have to go for the SSD and what exactly SSD is? So will you just explain on that to all of our viewers?
Sure, very good questions. So why you prefer to buy and use SSD?
Okay.
Why not SDD? The major difference, I will just explore 2 to 3 major points. The difference between the SDD and SSD. First of all, SDD means hard disk drive.
Okay.
The name is SSD means solid state drive. That is based on the flash only, is not moving particle.
Right.
SDD is working based on the magnetic field. The spindle is there. That's a mechanical things. But here is SSD is a completely controller and the flash. Second is 10 times faster than traditional hard disk drive. SSD is speed 10 times faster than traditional hard disk. Very less power consumptions of SSD compared with SDD. Then is lastly and not least the capacity is also, and the
Yes.
crash chances SSD is more, but here in SSD 0.5% chances to drive your data crash.
Yes,
The
yes.
benefit is multiple things.
Right, because means SSD we can see over here, there is a technology like the chip technology we have provided.
Right.
So in SDD, if we have seen in SDD there is a lots of mechanical part I think.
Correct.
Because it's a very older technology, lots of mechanical parts are there. There is a chances if the SSD gets breakdown,
Yes.
there is a chances your data
Right.
also get lost. So SSD more safety, more security we have available. Plus main important thing is speed, as you explained the reading writing speed over we can see over is very fast,
10 times faster.
10 times faster. Okay, so that's when it's a very good thing rather than the HDD. There is a good capacity. Okay, but yes, capacity we can concern little bit in SSD kind of thing we can get the less capacity, but
Yes.
the important is that reading and writing. Okay, so that we will get very faster. So very good product SSD we have available. So Umesh sir, I would like to ask that about uh, the product is there. Okay, what is the about demand? Okay, and how do you predict the market share for the SSD?
Demand is very strong. SSD month on month, day by day is growing very fast. The demand from consumer to enterprise and for the server category also. Everyone using, even now the PS gaming
Okay.
devices, they are also using SSD. They need immediately transfer the data so that they play easily. See predictions, I will tell you the globally. What is the global market shares now? To 2016 to 2021, the market rise from 0 to 400 million units.
Okay.
If you see the category, the which category contribution is more? The client SSD. Client SSD is, it means the assemble market for the branded laptops, a branded desktop also. That is 80% contribution from getting from client SSD.
Okay.
That is we are targeting. Majorly our equity target is that category.
Yes.
But the not only that category, we have enterprise category also. That is E series, and that market is 10 to 15%. IPC means surveillance category. That is also we have SSD. So see the market where is growing fast, very fast. So I think in India also same thing related with the global, and demand definitely increasing. So please my suggestion, push your client to SSD.
Okay. So the demand is very good, sir. We have seen over here the market share, and the product is also having the good capacity because everyone required to start fast. Okay. So I think such kind of product will be very useful for the laptops and the desktops.
Desktop.
Okay. So in immediately, very in short span of time, your computer, your laptop or the desktop will get start
Correct.
by using this SSD. So good product we have available now to capture this market demand. Okay, what kind of the products we have available in the consumer or the products we can say for the useful for a simply laptop or for desktop.
We have different category product line. In same time for consumer also, same for the other category like enterprise also, proxy server also. For gamer also we have.
Okay.
The series we have the complete range.
Okay.
Okay. Then see that we are very best seller you can say the C100. That is purely consumer category SSD.
Okay.
The C100 model starting capacity from 120 GB to 1920 GB. We have multiple range of capacity 120, 240, 480, 960 and 1920 GB also. The read write speed also is very high. The 550 is a read write reading speed of this category. The vibration structures also there. This is specific for your camera, for your desktop and the laptops. Plus point with Hikvision. Why? We are giving 5 years warranty. If you see the 5 years warranty, no one giving. 5 years only offering the Hikvision. We started, now they are everyone is following.
Okay. So what SSD can be this useful for, especially for computers?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So 5 years warranty, sir, you are explaining that. It's I think sounds very good because most probably the 5 years warranty customer is very reliable now and very
Yes.
relaxed because everyone the use of the SSD is very high. Okay. And in that case, 5 year is also a good feature we have available. Okay. So the things, but apart from this, I can see over here, sir, a space or the capacity, the range. Is this a C100 model, right? So in that C100 model over here, we can see the capacity starting from the 120 GB and up to a 1920 GB. Okay, that's great, sir. Means the capacity in SSD, as I explained a little bit before, that capacity we are getting very less. But in this type of equation product, in starting range, a consumer SSD also, we have a 1920 GB capacity.
Yes.
I think that's enough for not only to install our application and the software, but also some kind of data
Right.
we can store inside this SSD. So, sir, this is a best-seller product. Okay, C100. So, can we get some kind of the unboxing because I think
Yes.
we have this product available. So, can we get some kind of the unboxing today, the live unboxing?
Yeah,
because
sure.
all our people are connected and they are interested to look how this product exactly available in the market.
See, this is a C100 category. If you
Okay.
see, the looks very elegant,
Okay.
and the green and black combinations. The backside also everything is detailed. The read, speed, CL number, everything, and 5 years warranty. We are pasting here so that you can get idea. This is coming with the 5 years warranty. I'm just opening this box.
5 years warranty. That's really sound great. Plus, it's having the good features like the storage starting from the 120 GB which we have available. So this is a one kind of the a SATA SSD, I think.
Yes, the
Yes.
connector is SATA. If you see, this is very small, very lightweight, only 36 gram.
Okay.
This is also advantage compared with the SDD. 36 gram only. SATA comfortable, same like SDD. You can put in same slot with the SATA. Thickness 7 mm only 7 mm. But giving booster. You can say this is like if you compare with the SDD to SSD, this is your sports car compared with the normal car, generic car.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
it's the sports car for your storage category for laptop and desktops.
Yes. For laptop and desktop, it's like the very boosting device, right? उसके बाद हमने देखा सर it's a product because most of the people are looking for the SSD. Many more our partners have not installed yet
Yes.
in SSD in their devices, right? So अगर लैपटॉप की बात करें या कंप्यूटर डेस्कटॉप की बात करें जहाँ पे DIY कंप्यूटर जो कस्टमाइज पीसी आप बोल
Right.
सकते हो तो उसके अंदर हम हार्ड डिस्क के लिए साटा कनेक्टर तो है ही
Correct.
ओके प्लस कहीं ना कहीं सेम टाइप ऑफ कनेक्टर हमारे इस डेस्कटॉप पीसीज में भी मिलता है जस्ट आपको वो आपके हार्ड डिस्क एरे में इस एसएसडी को फिक्स करना है और कनेक्शन देना है आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इजी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वी हैव अवेलेबल
One more thing, Vinay.
Okay.
This is same size of laptop hard disk. Okay. If you remove your laptop hard disk, you can insert this one.
दैट्स
The same place they will adjust.
ओके
2.5 inch SATA, similar like laptop hard disk.
That's in the case of laptop now, it's a very easy to configure and install. That's fantastic, sir. Now moving to that, we have seen this bestseller C100 in the consumer category of first hard disk. Okay. Apart from this, in same category for the laptop desktop, we have another one more
Yes,
SSD.
we have more SSDs.
Okay, okay.
Multiple range we have.
So I would like to know about
Yeah,
this
please.
second SSD model which we
Correct.
have.
See, we have second consumer as well as for the enterprise segment category. That is E100.
Okay.
E100 we have two categories. One is SATA 2.5 inch. Another is M.2 SATA. This is M.2 SATA for only for the laptops, for the old laptops. Okay. But 2.5 inch is supportable for laptop, proxy servers, workstations, and desktop.
Okay.
The difference between the C100 and E100, I'm just briefing. See, C100 capacity starting from 120 GB to 1920 GB, but here E100 128 to 1024 GB. Why calling 128 2565? That is called full flash capacity. Who using in the server? They need full flash capacity SSD. That category also we have. Reading writing speed also very good. The 560 Mbps, easily to assemble, very slim and portable, and easy to install. Same place like M.2 we have. M.2 SATA for the old laptops. So you can put your hard disk inside laptop plus M.2. So you have two storage devices in your laptops.
Okay.
And you can install in SSD the OS and major softwares. They can give more performance, better performance, and you store your data in your hard disk. The both options available in this category.
ओके ओके सो एसएसडी के बारे में अगर देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं एडवांस लेवल का एसएसडी हमें मिल रहा है द कनेक्शन मेन द कनेक्टर ऑफ द एसएसडी फर्स्ट इन C100 we have seen there is a SATA connector right now you are telling that there is a E100 version is also
SATA.
available plus E100N which can be available I think M.2
Yes.
A SATA M.2
SATA M.2
connector is available. That means this kind of the second E100N product I can see over here just look like a RAM or something. So जहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं यूज हो सकता है आई थिंक जैसे कि पहले वाले हार्ड डिस्क हमने देखा जो इजीली आप डेस्कटॉप में कनेक्ट कर सकते हो बट लैपटॉप की बात करें कहीं ना कहीं लैपटॉप पे एक मदरबोर्ड है कॉम्पैक्ट डिवाइसेस है उस डिवाइसेस में कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉपर एक स्लॉट पे फिक्स करना है सो यू हैव टू गो फॉर द SATA this M.2 types of connection of characters. So looking great, sir. There is a capacity of this hard drive is also good, and lots of features we have available with this kind of category. I think this E100 also we have a product available over here.
Yes, yes. This is E100, same SATA. Okay, the blue color. We will only define the color because you can identify easily this product category. Same SATA, and giving much more speed and more reliable, more endurance. If you see comparison between the E100, C100, one more thing. This is the purely consumer. This for enterprise. The TBD, turn byte return.
Okay.
How many times you can return?
Yes.
This 120 GB is 40 TB and this is 60 TB. Additionally, you are getting 20 TB. The life of this category is much more. That is the reason we are suggesting to use this one for the server specific.
Okay, okay. So good a little bit not only the a desktop PC is a laptop, but little bit if you have a proxy server kind of thing, you can go for the E100 model
Yes,
also.
yeah.
Sounds good, sir. Really, the fantastic products, intelligent, really intelligent storage devices we have available. So we have seen the micro SD card, this SSD. I think there is a more SSDs we have available.
Yes.
But now it's a time for our all the viewers. Okay, hope you are getting understand this product that is a memory card and the SSD. Now it's a time for all the viewers to attend a quiz contest. Okay, so hope you all are ready for our quiz contest second question. Let's see the question on your screen. इस क्वेश्चन का जो भी सही जवाब वहां पे देंगे उन फास्टली जिन्होंने जवाब दिया है उनको कहीं ना कहीं इक्विजन की तरफ से यहाँ पे सरप्राइज मिलने वाला है बट बिफोर दिस लेट्स हैव अ डिस्प्ले अ क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन so this is a quiz contest too your question is what is the highest capacity of C100 SSD C100 SSD की highest capacity कितनी है होप एवरीवन आर अटेंडिंग दिस सेशन एंड सभी का यहाँ पे ध्यान था और उन्होंने कैपेसिटीज देख लिया है
Right.
कि क्या एग्जैक्टली कैपेसिटी है, बट स्टिल वी विल प्रोवाइड सम ऑप्शंस टू ऑल ऑफ देम. Option A is 480 GB, option B is 240 GB, option C is 1920 GB, and option D is 960 GB. What is the highest capacity of C100 SSD? राइट ऑप्शन आपको कमेंट में वहां पे टाइप करना है. यू वांट टू टाइप योर राइट आंसर इन कमेंट एंड योर टाइम विल स्टार्ट नाउ. You have only 10 seconds. Please type your right answer in comment section. Hope we have received the right answer of this question. At the end of the session, we will see more who is the winners. We will declare the name of the winner at the end of the session. So everyone attended this and they are really enjoying this session because it's a complete new kind of a products offered by the Hikvision. So now moving to the SSD part only. Okay, we have seen the consumer kind of SSD where we can use for a desktop, a laptops, as well as some kind of proxy servers. Also, we can use this SSD. Now, moving to the next, I would like to know, sir, if there is a demand is very good, okay, a capacity of your computer required high, in case some a video rendering, okay, most of the video editors are doing the video using the video editing software. Right. So video rendering is one kind of the application where require a lots of good speed for the computers. Plus a gaming, right now there is a demand for the gaming also. So such kind of the high-end application, do we have a products in SSD which can support for this?
Yes, we have. We have multiple range in this category.
Okay.
I will show you. If you see, we have entry level. You can see entry level means starting capacity is starting from 128. Model number is E1000. This is called NVMe PCI SSD.
Okay.
Looks same like RAM, same like M.2 SATA, but
Yes.
technology is different.
Okay.
If you see the reading writing speed in this category, starting from 21/1800 speeds,
Okay.
compared with 2.5 SATA, 4 times faster.
4 times faster.
So immediately you can download your videos files.
Okay.
Immediately you can update everything in your servers. Same thing gamers. Gamers need multiple graphics. They need multiple graphic due to the game speed is required.
Yes.
SD definitely SATA SSD will give, but much more speed required apart from SATA.
Yes.
This category product will support more.
That's
Second thing, this entry level is very cost effective also compared with other category.
Okay.
But easy to sell, best selling also. This product also in India very best selling.
Right. So we can see the cost effective plus the entry level and best selling, and I think it support the something kind of the latest technology in the type of the connection because it simply look like a RAM. Plus also it support the 5 years of warranty.
Yes, 5 years old.
So more than this, in same type, is there any higher end product also apart from this?
We have higher speed category with
Okay.
the heatsink also.
Okay, with heatsink, that's important. I think.
Yeah, heatsink.
Because in the kind of the processors, we can see about the processor of computers, it's getting a lots of processing,
Right.
and there is a heating will get generated. Correct. So heatsink also is one of the important part in such kind of the devices.
Right.
So we'll see the product for this.
See, one more category we have, that is E2000 category. In E2000 category we have normal with heatsink, we have with heatsink plus RGB.
Okay.
Now I'm talking about E2000's normal. This comes with the heatsink and thermal pad. The speed, just check, the speed is 3500 Mbps. 3500 Mbps compared with E1000, almost double. A gamer required. And why we are providing thermal pad as well as with the heat sinks? Because when data is going very fast, the heating chances is more. Then we are giving thermal pad as well as with the heat sinks. Then heating part will reduce.
Okay.
And this is also you can use in the gaming laptop. The mostly is like you can say the MSI and the ASUS, they are coming with vast range of gaming laptop. You can use increase your storage speeds.
Right.
And gaming desktop market is booming in India. This is a very right product for the gaming segments.
Okay.
Same category we have R, 2000R. It means this is RGB related. The gamer category they now needs the RGB based all the product, even graphic card, motherboard, RAM, and their casing and keyboard mouse, everything related with the RGB. That's the reason we are giving one more combination that E2000R. This is with all the RGB and you can programmable. You can program based on your desktops.
Right, you can program based on your
Yes,
desktops.
that's correct.
So I think this is a very look like means a consumer PCI SSD. Okay, it's a look like a something kind of a good feature for the higher end. And what kind of this means गेमिंग, अगर गेमिंग की बात करें तो बहुत ही आजकल जो डिमांड है गेमिंग की वो बहुत ही है, because most of the people are doing the in this kind of period there is a gaming activities also.
Right.
There are lots of the game divisions also are available. So very interesting. आपको अगर वहाँ पे गेमिंग स्टेशन एक अच्छा चाहिए, प्रोसेसिंग वहाँ पे एक अच्छी चाहिए, so ये टाइप्स के प्रोडक्ट्स वहाँ पे आपको यूजफुल हो सकते हैं.
Correct.
So I think one more point we can hear PCIe Gen 3 star 4 over here. So that means I think it's
The
a
generation
good, yes.
3 into 4 generation category.
Okay.
There are multiple generation, third generation, fourth generation also.
Okay.
Based on the speeds.
Based on the speed, there are the
Speeds.
generations
Correct.
we have available. So very good, sir. We have seen lots of feature. Okay, not only the simple SSD like the C100 or B100, but more than that, if your demand, okay, or the application is very huge, the processing is very huge,
Correct.
you can go for such kind of SSD, I think. So very good. So now I think we will see the product that you have seen over here. That is a E2000.
Right.
Okay, that can be SSDs go for the gaming point of view.
Gaming point.
So we will have see the unboxing video
Right.
of E2000 SSD.
Correct.
Let's have a video on your screen. So that is a very good product, very compact and very stylish products from the Hikvision. That is a SSD 2000, right? So good, sir. Here we have received a lots of information about this all product. Like memory card की बात करें तो memory card में भी आज surveillance categories आ रही है, जिसका importance ये बहुत है आपके IP cameras.
Correct.
And SSD, yes, lots of features we have seen. So all the viewers just stay connected. Umesh sir, they have some queries in live session of this. Some people ask us some doubts. Okay, let's we take the customer queries now. One of our partner have asked that do we have availability? Okay, do we have availability of this kind of products in the market right now?
Yes. We have all category product available in market.
Okay.
Please contact your account manager, local representative. They will help you to get the stocks.
Yes, please contact your local representative to get this product at your location. So it's a good thing. Now, one of the another partner we have asked this question is, what is after sales support? That is most important for all the our partners and customers.
Very good thing. And I'm telling you this after sales support we are not repairing anything. We're just replacing with the new one. And within 5 years, every time you can replace if defective. The chances is very less, SID, I'm honestly, but you can replace. We have more than 23 service center across India, and you have to just submit and collect the new one from there.
Okay, that's great, sir. So hope everyone have clear their doubts. Okay, if you have still many more queries, you can reach us or you can call to our technical support or you can contact with the local representative. Definitely, we will try to help or reach out at your end. So this is a quite good, interesting session. Now it's a time to announce the winners of our quiz contest. We have taken a two quiz contest. Our first quiz contest winner name is Mr. Sumit. Mr. Sumit from Apex Enterprise. Mr. Sumit from Apex Enterprise. The second quiz contest winner is Mr. Kishan from Royal Infotech. and Mr. Ankit from World Infotech. Congratulations to all the winners for participating in this intelligent storage device quiz contest. And thank you so much, Umesh sir, for giving your valuable time and share your expertise and lots of knowledge about these intelligent storage devices.
Thanks, Vinay. Thanks for inviting me also, and thanks viewers for watching us.
So all the viewers, thank you so much for attending this session. We will meet next time with a new topic. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.